are pleased to show you the 2011 Ford F-150. A Ford F-150 knows how to handle any situation. It's built to follow orders, no whining. This vehicle has less than 100,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: keyless entry, tow hitch, steering wheel audio controls, anti-lock braking system, traction control, stability control, Bluetooth, dual airbags, leather-wrapped steering wheel, adjustable steering wheel, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, four-wheel drive, auto-dimming rear-view mirror, floor mats, aluminum wheels, cruise control, rear defrost, AM/FM stereo radio. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.